In this video, we're going to be unboxing, comparing, and installing these AUXITO LED headlights. Okay, so first we're going to unbox these LED headlights. I have to say that the packaging is really well made. It is very well packaged. It does come with some gloves as well. It's a really nice touch. I really do like that. Also, it does come with an instruction manual. And these are the LED headlight bulbs. Really high quality bulbs. As you can see, they say AUXITO in them. And I believe these do have metal housing around them. They're very well made. Really good high quality headlights. And they are just really nice. They do have a fan built in as well. Alright, so here is the stock halogen bulb that was in the car. And here is the new AUXITO LED bulb. This is definitely much better quality, and it should last a lot longer than this bulb right here. Okay, so we're going to install this bulb really quick. All you have to do is set it in there, push on the little clip right there, put the little rubber boot back on, and then plug it in. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so here's the comparison of the stock headlight. It is much dimmer than the AUXITO LED headlight. So there's the stock. Here's the AUXITO. I mean, look at the difference. This is so much brighter. It actually has a blue hue to it. And again, here's the AUXITO LED headlight. And here's the stock halogen headlight. And both of them are done. This is definitely an upgrade you want to install on your car. This is something that I wish I knew about years ago, and if you want some really good headlight bulbs, definitely check out AUXITO, guys. These are high quality, they're gonna last a long time, but not only that, we'll be able to see the road a lot better and we'll be able to drive a little safer. So make sure to check out AUXITO if you guys want to upgrade your headlight bulbs to these amazing LED headlights. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.